Kani kadai ke Dudarshan Meghalaya bangi pedang sengop hai pi baro syakatup kubor mendaga janmit shuaban paish ki kubor ki babnya ngini pechwai ki mat bokong san sedang ke dorban mang tingka jong ka ying dorbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya daga jing ai jing kren jong ulat lapli patba yu modor jong sim tirat sing hadhaka hapo ri Bangladesh Ken mau buram ke yang darbat thawan ke jela ye ki noyalam balaklat no kham hashua on aijing menjor kitnat sarkar pedeng ye ke mining plan naga benta ban sedang ti dau yong biang baron aireng ke seng TMC ha ke election lok sabha natura ki khubor ki babnya Kedorbar mang tingka ke prasngi lenter jong ke dorbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya kelas dang men tagasngi ulat ke jela upagu chohan ha kapor bala aya ke jingkren jongu ulapen pau ki program bat ki matrekam ba pher jo ka sarkar ha ki babon ki liang da ka penshai halor ki katuk ani ki program bat ki matrekam jo ka sarkar jela ulat ulaong ba ka songsuk songsngan kalong ka bakong san e na ka benta kinu ki kampen roy ulat ula pentip ru ba ka GSDP ka jela Meghalaya naga bentau news nem khen pisa labu bakan long sau punyo hajar lais pa prapuwei klotingka ka batam ru da khatwei na ka shispa banya ka ba minsham snem ula pentip ru ba ka sarkar menta kadang pentre ya bon tli ki project bala beitingka na shabar ki ba shong dor kumba hnyo hajar sanspa klotingka ha ka ba la benrap ru bala dep ban pelat ka song tingka ka ba shi hajar sap khandai klotingka ha usnem khen tingka u bala dep ru ban mang shu saar hajar nriu pu ar klotingka na ka bentau ni usnem khen pisa ha ka ni ka jela
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the 41st annual
लक्ष्य रखा है जिसे राज्य की जीडीपी को दुगना हो जाएगी। इस लक्ष्य को पाने के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, पावर और वाटर सप्लाई, इन्वेस्टमेंट, प्रमोशन, IT, टूरिज्म और एग्रीकल्चर जैसे सेक्टर में औसत आर्थिक विकास को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, जबकि हेल्थ केयर, एजुकेशन, लाइवलीहुड जनरेशन, सामाजिक सुरक्षा, ग्रीन और सिटीजन सेंट्रिक गवर्नेंस जैसे सेक्टर में ठोस पहल से प्रत्येक नागरिक का समग्र सुनिश्चित करेगा
Ya umat dur jong noyale latlut ubapauna usim tirat sing lapli patba hasor ba Dhaka hapo ri Bangladesh mentakasngi kakenhon no mikmat najala Meghalaya balayalam de usimbut menteri rang ba kajala usniaw bahlang dhar barkiwei parki dukhat kakenhon menteri kumuba polling do barikong amperin do barkinong sinshar shnong ru kleshim bentalang hakani ka program ha Bangladesh Uni umat dur udai na kabentaban pendan buram yaki kamrat ba jong uni unong yalam latluat bat kumjo ru bandang pen scam shu ya kajing dai hapedeng ke jela Meghalaya barkari Bangladesh haga jo ka porpan umentri ramba ka jela konrat ke sangma ula ajing kren hapo ka yeng darbar shaphang ni ka jingjia da ka baong ba ka ni ka jingale kan sa pen ithu sha ka prothei ya uni unong yale latluat ubalai khun persha yaki sipai ka ribilat
Today, by unveiling the bust of Uchirot Singh in Dhaka, all of these have been recognized, and I would like to officially take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India, and all the other stakeholders who have made this a possibility.
Kidukhat jong kayeng darbar thawan ke jala menta kasngi kala kenmau buram kerpang yeki noyalam jong ke jala bat kumju ru jong ke ribaro ko we ki bala khlat no dangshen dakabas dang ye ke jing emerging mud umentri rangba ke jala konrat ki sangma ulong bau noyalam bala ibha uba sd khongwir ubala khlat no dangshen ula trei klem shong thait na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong ki pat ba kadar bar kala kenmau buram ru yu mla barim na rongjeng uni him song ar sangma ubala khlat no house nam 8000 aphuwe Unoy alam kaliang persya obat Roni Willingdo bat kinoy alam bala kamrem ru komu mukul sang maru kilay ro ashikat de ekat tukat ni kinoy alam jong ka jela ba jong ka ri hi baro ko wei ki bala khlat no dangshen lapen long ru ye ka jinges ngap jar ka ba ar minute kom ka dak ban buram ye ki min siem bala khlat no.
In the last 6 months, the state as well as the nation as a whole has lost many great leaders.
In condoling the sad demise of this number of illustrious leaders who at different times and in their respective capacities have collectively contributed towards the peace, progress and prosperity of our state and in their respective states and for the growth and prosperity of the nation as a whole.
So, Mr. Speaker, sir, in this solemn moment, I stand before you not just an opposition leader, but as a fellow custodian of this sacred institution in paying tribute to the extraordinary lives and dedicated service of those who have left an indelible mark on the August Assembly.
Umentri rangba ke jela Meghalaya konrat ki sangma mentagasngi ulong baya baro ki mining plan na kabenta ban sedang biang ye gajing ti doyong hakini ke jela on sa ai jing menjur dekat nat rekam ke sarkar pening ulong bana ka daw bla pentrekam ya bontli ki mat rekam ba pher hakini ke jela bat na ka daw jong gajing pher ki riti ki dustur bat khndo kumta kani ka kam kan dang kham shimpor Haka juga poru menteri rangba ulong bagi jingkren badang shen da uwe ni ki menteri ke jela Assam bagi jela Jong-u kan ai wat tang shi in shi ke jaka ke jela Meghalaya kampen pau satya ke sur jong ki babun barki nong rim juga sarkar ulong bagi jela Assam bagi jela Meghalaya kile shong pleu jingmut ban pen bet ye ke jing yakan art khapun
All the plans will be approved by central government agencies, which is what is being done. And the process, of course, is tedious because, as I said, there are different aspects of the land holdings, being different in our state compared to the others. And hence, the policies that apply here are different from the policies that apply in the rest of the country, and so on and so forth. So, keeping all those factors in mind, the fact that this is happening for the first time, things are taking a bit longer than we would want to. See, there are always, it's a democracy, there's always different voices that come up and different positions that people take. So I cannot comment on every position that everybody takes. And if there is one comment being made by maybe one individual or certain minister or certain person, it does not reflect the majority view.
Kaseng Voice of the People's Party kelapan pau ya kajing bom sngutenat jongka ya kajing lingkot palat jong kajing kren ulat ke jela ha ka darbar mangtingka jong kayeng darbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya ulat ula ai kajing kren jong hapo kayeng darbar tang kumba 10 minute aa haba kren chikinong pathai khubor unong ilam kaseng VPP ubadei ru MLA uba Arden basayomot ula ong ru ba kaseng VPP kalay trelang bar kiwei pat kiseng liang persya ban kren yikimat ba pher ki bakta ya ke jela ha kani ka darbar mangtingka ka bamenta.
Today we have just received the advance start questions. Well, important questions have been dumped, not placed, not given a priority. So those issues will be missed to debate and deliberate on the floor of the House. So therefore, though we have many issues, but the short duration of this assembly will not give us the opportunity to dwell on all the issues that we are intending to raise.
Umentri Katnat Boarding U80 Mandal mentagasngi ula pentip baya ka jingkieng ha kapung umyam on sara hajrong hashwa ka khasantri ulber na kabenta ban pendat tiar thamai. Mula ong ba Katnat Boarding ka sa pentip syau syapang ban ra ekani ka jingkieng. Katkum ka jingit hu umandal on khang yat kali kumbasaw hadu prakanta ha kasngi bara ya ka jingkieng ha ka ba hadien pan kin sa tenrong na baro arliang bat on sa sya ru tangki kali red ban yat kumba katu anipor. Uni Menteri Ulaong Ru baki lawat daki weipat kisurok ban pentikna baka yat kayeng ki kali kadom thut satya hakapor belara eka jingking. Hakaba ula benrap ru baka tenat PWD kelalap eka lenti hakaba kalap ban shna eka jingking ka bathamai ban penyeso eka nong ba shalong bat ka umyam.
On the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles, and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles.
Unoy alam ka Parliamentary Party umukal sangma ulapan bana baga sengjung ka Trinamool Congress kan sa Aireng haki election Lok Sabha ka banwan na sortura. Haba ay jingkren haki nang patay kubor ulaong baon sa penbanapat ba yakini karay haki di kikindiat sengi banwan. Da ka ba pentip ru bakila don ka jingya kren ban wat lat wat lenti ban penyeng kertong na shalong. Umulkul sangma ula kren syai kedar baon ya Aireng hakini ka election namar ba ukwa ban pelet jingmut hakasan himasima jong ka jela.
Most of the constituent parties in India bloc have decided to go solo and then put up their own candidates. So Meghalaya, in as far as Meghalaya, we waited patiently, and indications were that negotiations were still on, but it appears that it might not come to fruition. So therefore, both the seats, we have 2 seats. The only decision is whether to fight both the seats or not. But then from our side,
Mentakasngi Menteri Rang Bado Kari Narendra Modi ula plipat ba bat bu mau nong rem yashibun tli ki projek penroi ki belakot syaka khanyo hajar klotingka hajala Rajasthan hapok ka program Viksit Bharat Viksit Rajasthan lingba ka video conference kini ki projek penroi ki kintup iki surok ki lintirel ki boarding na kasngi ka jing penmi boarding electric ka umbam umdi bat ka petroleum bat natural gas. Habakran hagani ka program Menteri Rang Bado Kari ulaong baka sorkar R engine jong ka jala Rajasthan kelas dang bantre kam step ha. Ulaong ru bakini ki project ya ka bala deple bat bu mau nong rementa ken sa ai kam ai jam ki pau hajar ngut ki samla jong ka jala.
हरियाणा के मेरे भाई और बहनों, विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए हरियाणा का विकसित होना भी बहुत जरूरी है और हरियाणा तभी विकसित होगा जब यहां आधुनिक सड़कें बनेगी। हरियाणा तभी विकसित होगा जब यहां रेलवे का आधुनिक नेटवर्क होगा।
Menteri Katnat Labour Uba Shaklar Wajri hinin gasngi ula pli perda ikaslem hikai Industrial Training Institute ITI hakashnong sakwang ka badan hamau kerwat. Yakani ke Industrial Training Institute ITI latei haka jinglot ke balakot syaka nuclear sapu pralak tingka lengba ka scheme Enhancing Skill Development Initiative hagi jila ka than chate lamingi bat ka sikim. Haba ai jingkren hagani ka program Menteri Katnat Labour ula penpau ya ka jing snaudiau namar ka jingkiu ka jing pepno shiteng por ki khna puli ITI haka jila hi barok kawai. UMLA ka than makurwat uba Renington El Tongkhar ulapan paw ya jing shania scam jung u bakani ka shlem hikai kan ai jing mento shika dei e ka district kham tam yi ki khna samla ki bakwa banyo jing tip bat ki sap ba pher lengba ka program jongki
nilai sistem ya karai ya kebagian berkhat ba minna bagi manra la de benginan pan susu ya ka fun na ka minna minna tek susu iki ya bali ni le simon ata bagi kwa min tek susu iki ya beli saudam kene ke cela ke jumi
dak di pas ke nak pas nang om dei tang ma flexibility but yo ma ro kam saka regi kam brega ko bon ba hakba ki niyo ko ko problem baru kejing yang kamai haki extra time bagi lamatre hak bagi lamatre bon ki karkhana bagi kam perbet ko bon
Mentang kasngi la pelong ka program mansa mi kitendong li airshed lingba ka scheme pradhan mantri Ujwala Yojana ha ka yo kinong rap ka badan ha beta sing ampati mentang kasngi yakani ka program la pelong da ka executive committee jang ka sing BJP ka badan South West Garo Hills district ha ka bala sakhi ka jingidan bentalang jong MDC ubarim ubadairu UCM ka GHADC bat kumjo ru komusim board president ka sing BJP ka jala Udipul R Marak bat Boston Marak ubalang district president jang ka sing ubala banjur ya ka jinglong balakloi jongka seng ban syakri ke jela barok kawai mentapat ngin pet ke jinglong jing man ka sin beneng hashlong kajing shit kalong khat pra 0.1 degree celsius ba kajing kreat kalong pra 0.1 degree celsius kajing sngam ka haw kalong hunreu na kachis pa man step ban hunreu pulai na kachis pa janmet kala bandan kajing hap slap ba kajing tiat uperthat hakikat tu kat ni ke jaka Shuaban poi juga bakut jeng thup kubor ngini pet biang sai sini kimat bakongsan. Sedang ke dorbar mangtingka jeng ke yang dorbar tawan ke jela Meghalaya da jeng ai jeng kren jeng ulan. Laple patba ya umat dor jeng CM Tirat Singh hadhaka hapori Bangladesh. Kimau buram ke yang dorbar tawan ke jelai kinong yalam balaklat no kam haswa. On ai jeng menjur kitnat sarkar pedeng ya ke mining plan ke bentaban sedang tido yang biang. Badan ai reng ke seng TMC na hak election Lok Sabha Natura. Ti perlok katung ila poi syaka bakut jeng thup khubor jeng imenta ka janmiet hadu bangidai syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro
will be constructed on 2 acres of land at a cost of about 1,650 crore rupees with facilities such as a 720-bedded hospital complex and medical college with 100 seats. Addressing the program, Modi highlighted the achievements of the present government